Okay, it's November 13th, Wednesday, 2024, and I'm on to filling the garden beds. Beautiful day today.
A life of pages waiting to be filled. A heart that's hopeful, a head that's full of dreams.
Well, anyway, I started. I'm just gonna take a day or so. I'll say maybe 1/3 done. I'm hoping my firewood person can back his truck up there once that dirt's out of the way and drop a cord, so I could just bring it right in through there instead of having to go up and down the basement stairs. It looks good. You can see the bottoms. All the bottoms are covered. So I got to do it shovel by shovel. Doing it in sets of 12. And yeah, it's coming along. I guess that sun looks like it's interfering with the picture. Oh yes, my name is Jake. Yes, and I want to run around. Pretty soon, after the first snow. That's when the tickies pretty much go away for a while. So anyway, this is just, I guess I'm going to do 2 updates. This one, and then the final one. I seem to be doing that a lot. That's so I don't have to, whatever they call that. I can't think of it right now. You know, join different clips together. So, anyway, it's so beautiful today. It's about 48 degrees, which is actually, for some reason, that's warm here, because it feels like 70 outside. I guess there's no wind. Tonight's supposed to go down to 17. So the firewood's coming just in time, although I have enough to get through for a couple of weeks anyway. You can't see the greenhouse from here, but it's right around the corner there. And there's the hay that I'll put on top once I get that dirt in. I don't know if it's going to fill them all up, but it should be enough so that any kind of wind or anything else. It was really, really windy, 45, 50 the other night, blew things around. But these birds are just amazing. They go through maybe every 2 weeks. The chickies. This guy's like, oh, what do I do? Oh, I don't want to be on camera. Oh, me either. Okay. All right. Until next time. God bless.